Alright team, we're going to do a quick Reference USA tutorial just to kind of give everybody a visual. We had some questions on it last week, so I wanted to make sure everybody knew exactly how to use it. For starters, we're going to Google our library that we have access to with our library card. You will need a library card to access the database. Now when you do get to that library homepage, you're looking for something that says research, databases, or something along those lines. We want to search businesses. It'll provide many different databases. In this case, we're looking for business databases. The type of business database we want is Reference USA. We're going to choose that we're not in the library. Most of the time we're probably not, but you do have a choice to choose in the library if you happen to be in the library. If you are in the library, you don't have to plug in your library card. If you're not, you will. Then just hit continue after you agree to the terms and conditions. In my case, my library card already auto-populates, but this is where you're going to plug in your card information and then simply log on. That's your portal from your library to Reference USA. Now you have free access. We're going to search businesses. Make sure you hit this additional filters tab, and immediately it's going to give you many different ways to search. First things first, it's always pre-clicked, but if it's not, just in case, make sure you have verified businesses chosen. You'll see here we have over 14 million businesses we have access to. We can search via zip code, which is one of my favorite ways to search, and then we can search via industry code, which in most cases it's either going to be a SIC or NAICS code. How do you find those codes? You can simply Google. You'll see here that I've already Googled a couple of them. SIC code for vehicle repair for this exercise. We'll take the first one that pops up. In this case, it's going to be 7538. You'll find there's different SIC codes, sometimes several for one industry. That's why down here you'll notice it gives you an option to plug in up to 5. For this exercise, we're just going to stick to the main one, 7538. And I'm going to use a couple of local zip codes in my area just for the visual. Once we plug in that information, the SIC codes in your zip code and whatever else you choose to search by, you can update the count, just to kind of get an idea where you are. Sorry, I must have unclicked this verified businesses here. So if we update that count, you'll see that we jumped from 14.5 million down to 72 businesses. At this point, we have access to all of that. If we're happy with those search numbers, we can just hit view results. It's going to give you a math problem here. If anybody has trouble with these, you can also give me a call. I'll be more than happy to walk you through it. Now, you'll see here I have 3 pages of leads, some of which probably already have accounts, some of which are going to be national accounts. You'll see here that I have NTB in the territory. They'll have a corporate tree, normally if they're really big corporate style accounts. You choose them just by clicking the top button, or you can cherry pick the ones you want to choose. Every now and then it's going to ask you to verify that you're human. Once you click those, you can go on and download them to an Excel, which I will show you on a separate video.